It's Juvenis.
Homecoming with Ifetti, the biggest comedy show in Alimosho.
Don't go nowhere. Stay there. Watch Juvenis TV. I tell you so. Watch it. Morning, afternoon, night, evening, day, night. In your dream, be watching it. Juvenis.
You know, my name is Sheyi Law, BCFR, the black comedian of the Federal Republic. You know, when Forever came on stage, Forever was talking about his experiences at hotels. Even me, I don't get experience for hotels before. And I share some of those experiences. Again, one time, I go do event for a hotel, they do their end of year party. I tell them, say, if that tower don't they miss for a hotel, are they among the thieves? A thief tower well for a hotel. I know they lie. Whether you like them or not. I tell you the truth, you cannot kill me. You cannot lodge in a hotel of 70,000 naira and not go home with souvenir. Yes, you don't feel lodge for a hotel of 70,000, you don't carry souvenir. When you reach out, something you want to tell them, say you do. You just sleep for bed, 70,000, and you are coming back home, they'll both shoot you. We kill you. For what? If to say a hotel, if to say we get back when we size TV, I for carry TV too.
Are you serious?
Your father. All of us na thief. Now who they break meat? Now be barawo. Ogami, there are certain things in my life that I don't joke with. I say it as it is. One time, they called me for event. The first time where I lodged for a hotel, they called me for event for a hotel. They locked me for 3 days. As I called them, I said, how much is your food? I called, they asked for price. I asked for soup and eba. And they tell me 5,500. 2008 precisely. When I hear 5,500, me take 5,500, take chop for 2008. Are they mad? Are they crazy? Now I tell them, say, don't worry, I will call you back, never to call again. As I drop the call, now I stroll opposite the hotel. Now I see Malam where they fry egg and bread. They cook Indomie. 250. I don't eat belefu. Then I cross back into a hotel, eat 250 naira, and come and sleep on the 75,000 naira bed. After 3 days, as I don't plan to check out for the hotel, I don't even drag my bag. They go reception. Now the woman will call me for the event, say, Sheila, just drop your key. I hope you didn't pay for any food. We paid for everything you eat for 3 days. When I hear them, I say, you say what? Say we paid for the 3 days, including your food. Are you checking out? Now I tell the woman, no ma, I just strolled downstairs. I went back to a hotel, I sit down inside, I call all my family members. Come to a hotel now, we have food for 3 days to finish.
I want all this money.
My brother, you know, say all of us watch up the money. Let me tell you something. I'll tell you the truth and I lie not, whether you like it or not. Recently, I started posting videos about my shows. Old performances where I don't do. Now people come and comment, oh my God, this is the Sheyi Law that we love. Oh my God, this is the Sheyi Law we want back. We love this Sheyi Law. I said, quiet, you love the Sheyi Law. Did I tell you that I love that Sheyi Law? That was Sheyi Law that was hungry and poverty want to kill. I don't love that Sheyi Law. I tell you the truth, there are several things that poverty can make you do. Now poverty make old man, they wake up for money, sit down for main road, begin confess, say, I be wish. My brother, you don't be wish, you are poor. There is nothing called witchcraft. I'm telling you today, if witchcraft there, all of us, if we sit down, go to wake up tomorrow, sit down for middle of Ahmadu Bello way, they shout, me, I be down, go to, now witchcraft, I take care of my company. All of us, now go there, go kill, or God give us this witchcraft. You go see person don't wake up for money, sit down for road, begin cry. I be wish now me make government not do our road. Quiet. Now you be the local government chairman, wake up the money. You be wish for where? Person go wake up for night. He go say, he go wake up for money. He say I sleep for night. Demon come they press my neck. Hey! No demon they press your neck. Now hungry, you they hungry. Wake up, eat. That is why I tell people there are poverty of understanding, poverty of knowledge, poverty of wisdom there. Then there are poverty of opportunity. I know they lie. Let me tell you, pastors and demons work hand in hand. If you don't know how today. If pastor and demon don't they work hand in hand, deliverance ministry no go there. Okay, if you go to church, you tell pastor, I have demons working inside me. If you get 17 demons, pastor go first pursue 12. He go leave 3 so that you can come back again. So that the ministry can continue. Poor people, now in which they press their neck. Poor people, now in demon they press their neck. You don't ever hear, say demon go press Adenuga before. Since 2015, I've been performing in Adenuga's house. I never feel work out the full house finished since 2015. Why don't they go to the house? If today, if I pass back, tomorrow, they say make I pass long. To next tomorrow, I go again, they say make I pass another place. Now that kind of house, now demon won't go press person. If they send demon, go press Adenuga. Demon appear for the house. Ha! As he open the first door, now get man he see. He say sorry, oh. He open another door. Pwah! You see waiter. He open another door. Pwah! You see cook. He open another door. Pwah! You see gardener. He open another door. Pwah! You see Paddy Adenuga. Before he open the next door, they don't break. He go say make I go and come back another night. Now poor man demon they press anyhow. Another day the demon come again. As he they open door, he begin enter inside house. He open this door. He see the first wife. He open this door. He see Bella. He open this door. He see Dollar. He open this door. He see the baller. He get where go one kill the witch. Now the witch go wake the next person. I beg give me blanket. This one the house now die.
I saw one man in a tail. People they carry no.
DJ Kesley, you know what we they talk about. When money not there, stupidity is always at work. The difference between Kelechi Iheanacho and Messi is the poverty of opportunity. When Messi get the right equipment to train and shine, Kelechi Iheanacho they wake up for money, they run go stadium. It can make you lack idea. I know what I'm talking about. Let me tell you something. Poverty is a tool in the hand of those people who sabi use them. Now the reason when Jonathan come, he give us food, belle food. Nigeria begin shout, hey, don't remove subsidy, don't remove subsidy. Buhari don't come now. Now we they pray. On that way you want remove them. See, let me tell you something. I tell you the truth and I lie not. See, I need to educate you so that you understand what I'm talking about. When you leave Nigeria and you travel abroad, you will understand what I'm talking about. Poverty of understanding. Abroad, a cat is a pet. Are you listening to me? I went to the UK. I see at the Wakafor road now. I see 2 ambulances. I see police car drive past. Wow! I see ambulance follow. Another police car follow. For my mouth, I say I need to know where they go. As they brought from one corner from my front, I follow them. As I follow them, now I see where they use stretcher. Carry something. The man when they the house, they run, follow the stretcher. They shout, Tom, don't do this to me, Tom. Oh my God, Tom. For my mind, I say, who be this Tom? As they carry her past me, now I see a cat. Cat, 2 police car, and 1 ambulance, come rescue. Ordinary cat. Now I tell myself, say, my Oga, don't leave Tom. I can be your permanent cat. Look at me here. Meow. In abroad, cat is a pet. In Nigeria, when we see cat near our window, you bring out anointing oil here. Poverty mentality. Let me tell you something. Abroad, they don't use goat. Goat now pets. They go feed goat. Goat don't go feed blood again. Goat go they do. Go Osogbo, come see goat. For Osogbo, na night when you dey sleep, goat they disturb you because they don't go hustle. You don't give them food. If you are a pet in Nigeria, your pets get expiration date. I know what I'm talking about. In Nigeria, if you are a fowl and you are a pet in January, by Easter period, you become food. Listen to what I'm telling you. See, Sagi come on stage. If they talk about the landlord, if they talk about person who bring dog. My landlord, where are they? When Jonathan dey, he get dog. The dog no dey let us rest. You dey see dog, they dey investigate. Because Jonathan was president, he no understand life. One day, landlord open door down. The person when they sell newspaper give our landlord enter our company. No say landlord don't get dog. The dog, now when the person don't enter the company finish, now they hear from him back. Yoruba man when they sell newspaper, when he hear, he turn face the dog. He say, I can't answer. The dog now they call our landlord, Daddy Jimmy. And just a Yoruba. And the one that is sell paper for Gao and the newspaper man and this day alone say my capons. The dog won't kill anybody. Rat move for our company. When Jonathan come out, Buhari come, the dog begin understand life. Dog come begin chop normal human be food. They eat your love rice. The rich ones say they begin soak garri and groundnut. Now the dog they peel the groundnut by itself. Oh, you know what they talk about. I'm rounding up. The get where this thing won't kill the dog. Dog begin get human being sickness. Dog they get malaria. They get tuberculosis. Dog don't want back to the. Our landlord do fasting. He give the dog compulsory fasting. Dog wait fat before dog begin lead. Dog what they do? Dog knock on the back anyhow again. Now, he reach one stage, hunger won't kill the dog begin blow his. Now the dog see the car where our landlord don't abandon. Now he enter under the car life follow there. Now another person go dash our landlord another dog. That one enter compound. He no ask whether one dog don't live here before. He said begin show himself. The one waiting on that motor they call him. That one not there yet. When hunger hold land for 2 weeks. Where he said one go he one back now. He leg go the shake. When dog I won't kill her. Now he enter on that motor. May go meet the other dog. Where the other the motor. As he enter on that motor, now he see another dog there. He say you there here. Now that was I know they call you for the past 2 weeks. You know they hear what now. And they try to tell you, maybe you reserve your energy. You know here. The day when we know say the dog on they don't finish. Now the day when I'm robber enter our compound. I'm robber shout, all of you lie down. Now the dogs the first lie down. Now our landlord they call them bingo jack backo. Now the dogs they tell our landlord all of us now woman below. Go ask you face. Thank you very much. My name is Sheila.
For commenting on our videos, please keep commenting. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for regular updates. Keep watching Juvenis and keep buying Juvenis.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.punux.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.